In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get code syntax highlighting in Slack. If you've ever pasted code into a message and watched it turn into a hard-to-read block of plain text, this walkthrough is for you. We'll use Slack's built-in text snippet feature to make your code readable, beautifully formatted, and easy for teammates to review. Start by opening the conversation where you want to share your code. This can be any direct message or channel. Choosing the right place matters, because your snippet will be visible to everyone in that conversation. If it's something sensitive or work in progress, consider a private channel or a direct message with the right people. With your conversation open, look to the bottom of the window where you type messages. Click the plus icon next to the message field. This opens a menu of options for adding more than just plain text to your conversation. From that menu, select Text Snippet. Depending on your Slack version, it might say, create a text snippet, but it does the same thing. A new window or panel will open where you can prepare your code snippet before posting it. At the top, enter a clear, descriptive title. Think of the title as a quick label that helps others understand what they're looking at. For example, use something like Fix for pagination bug or SQL to fetch monthly totals, rather than something vague. Good titles make snippets easier to search for and reference later. Next, click into the Type field to open the dropdown. This is where you choose the language for syntax highlighting. Select the language that matches your code, such as JavaScript, Python, SQL, or whatever you're using. Picking the right language tells Slack how to color and format your code so keywords, strings, and comments stand out. If you're not sure, plain text is fine, but choosing the closest match gives the best result. Now paste or type your code into the main content area. You can also add a short message or description to explain context, expected behavior, or what kind of feedback you're looking for. Keep sensitive information out of your snippet to protect your team and your systems. When everything looks good, click Create Snippet. Slack will post your formatted snippet to the conversation with proper highlighting. Teammates can expand it, copy from it, and read it comfortably. That's it. Clean, readable code right inside Slack. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.